Well, we're back at the Hardway Ranch inside the Hardway workshop. I am the workshop warlock, and here's noise. Okay, the noise is gone. So, the project is the 2004 Chevy Silverado exhaust. Now, this here is the old exhaust. The muffler shop recycled a lot of my spare parts, but he gave me this brand new and he didn't charge me for it. I thought he recycled everything, but come over here, we got a straight pipe going right out in front of the tire. So that took care of that problem. And I mean, he charged me less than 140 bucks. That was money well spent. So the exhaust is taken care of. Lots of other problems. Right now, I am doing an oil and filter service. And just to show that even when you have nice equipment, you cannot avoid a mess. All right? Stupidest thing. This truck, there's 2 gallons of oil in there, and the filler comes out, the plug is at an angle. All right? And what I've learned from this is next time I change the oil, I need to have the truck lower. I pulled that drain plug out, and it was like a broken garden hose. Oil just went everywhere. So, yeah, next time lower. And then it's almost done draining, and I realized the oil is right at the very top here. The oil filter was plugging the drain. Now I reached in and moved the filter to the side. Now there's no air vent, so the oil is going glug, 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 and it's splashing up and over the top. The air bubbles are making a splash over the top. But this is why I keep oil absorber piled up on the floor, because I always need it. Anyway, hard oil change. Later.